Hello, my name is Osama Munir, and today's video about the student mark predictions using machine learning and Python. And let me know we have the sum of data. We show that here is my connect the Google Drive, and also change your GPU. It's a very mandatory because we have to some predictions on the data, so that's why is less time to give the accurate information. Let me know we have obtained the Google Drive. Sorry for that. Yes, we connected this apps, and okay, alright, I think so this is connected. Let me refresh the device. Where is okay, let me give you some codes from Google. Import drive and drive mount give me some address. Right, I think so get it now. Alright, let me see, showing that connect to drives. Alright, yeah, so connecting that drives. Yeah, this is a Steve Douglas. Yeah, alright, some system is slowing down because memory is out of ones and there is a wide load on this system. Allow that. Great. Our drive is mounted with our drives. Some important libraries we have to put in on this. Alright. Let me give alright. You will see that the heading some import numpy as and we import pandas as pd pandas and import lib.py plot PLT. Alright, we also going to run that. Oh my god, giving the errors. I think so it's a sprout missing. You know, it's humans and code is a sprout missing as usual. Import net plot lib. I think so is a good for that. After that, we have to load my data set. So giving the heading data set, and let me show you that where is my data. Giving the some commands. Path is equal to small r as pd.read. Pd.read is a read the data in a panda format. So I'm giving the variable df. Right, so let me going to now where is my data set. I'm going to students predictions. Yeah, there is my students data info, copy path and paste it. Most students worry about this. This is my models. You not worry about because I am already run test and then we am showing the video on this for you. Okay, after that I am showing the model created is this place. Alright, so you are not worried about this. And let me load this data. Yeah, we have load my data into my drives and showing data how was data look. Did you see that? Did you see that gf dot head and students marks and dft dot okay, I want to see my the whole values and 5 first value and 5 last values. Did you see that? Alright, is that 200 rows and 2 columns. Alright, data. After that we want to shape for data and shape for the data, and shape for data is showing the 202 columns. Alright, is the same thing. And let me show you that after that we have heading to describe and visualization of the data inside. Alright, discover and sites. Right, this okay. Let me give in the command df.info and give the information about the whole info data sets. One is the class, the pandas, keywords, and the data frame is suggestion. Range of index is 200, 0 to 199. Sorry for that. And total column showing that is the 2 columns and the 200 rows. Alright, and did you see that? It's a data type is a float. Memory uses 3.2 KB. Alright, so that's memory. If you want to show the mean of your data, you have given the command describe. I think so. It's not looking as yeah. Describe. This is showing the some count, mean, standard value, mean value, and then after giving the minimum value 25%, 50%, 70%, and the maximum value. Alright, you see that is showing the total average and the maximum value of the 8.99 is the maximum value. Alright, and the maximum, it's the maximum value 8.99, and the student's marks is the maximum value is 86.990. So did you see the maximum minimum value? Then you show the range of the values and where is the maximum value and where is the minimum value. Alright, did you see the minimum values of 5.01 and 68.5%? Show that. Okay, let me show the value in the plot, graph plot. Alright, plot plt dot scatter scatter scatters x is equal to x dot study hours. Alright, and comma is equal to y df dot students marks. Alright, yeah, and student marks. After that is a plt dot x label. Yeah, x level is a student. We want to show the x-axis student study hours. Right, study hours. Alright, and plt dot y label is equal. I want to showing the student marks. Alright, and this one is the most important. We have to give the title of the graph. The title of the graph is students marks prediction. Alright, and then we show the path, and then simple that. Let me wait. Yes guys, did you see that the plot is a drawing on this? This is the title of the student mark predictions, and the y-axis is the students marks. You see that label of the student marks is a y-axis, and other one is the students mark. Alright, is showing the my predictions, students predictions on this, and the predictions of the depending on the odds. You see that the odds increase and students value also increases. All right, and the 9.9 odds, if the student study 9 odds, then you give the maximum score in your study. All right, after that we have prepared the data for the machine learning. Okay, so during the hiding is a very important. Okay, right, yeah, okay. Well, first of all we have to clean the data set. The one is the most important thing in between shares. Cleaning is a very important thing for the train your machine learning algorithm, because some garbage value and some missing values not to giving the accurate percentage and accurate value and result for your data set. So that's why we are cleaning. So df dot is null is a functions to show the null value in the systems. Let me show. All right, yeah. Did you see that is a true? True means that is a missing value on this stage. All right, and false is showing that the something values here. Okay, so after that we have showing 200 rows and 2 columns showing that. All right, actually, and check how many null values between here present between there data set. Alright, so giving us df dot is null something, and after that is the sum, giving the all sum values. Okay, yeah, study hours is a 5 missing values, students marks is nothing, and the data type is a int. All right, is a integer data type. So if you want to mean for the data values, so we have to giving that df dot simple is mean, then give you the mean of the value. You see the study hours mean, like average value is 6.99 and the student marks average is 70.7, 770.7 I think, or it is 77. Okay, let's see. Oh sorry, 77.93. So next one is next we want to fill this value. Alright, so how we can fill it? So giving the command and then missing value, so fill that df dot fill now. Fill now is a technique to fill your values. So I want to fill in df2, no df is actual and df2 is the after filling value. Okay, so that's why I'm giving the variable df2 dot is null and dot, and showing that how many values filling this, and that's great. There's study is no missing value and so on is also no missing value, so it's a very good for this. And we also predict my data on this, and give you the, if you want to show like how is data is looking at. So data is showing that df2, yeah, there is, did you see that df dot had showing some missing value is a non value and there is no non value. That means yeah, is a non value at there of the original data set, and df2 is my actual data set and some is a temporary data set. Ours we have changed that on this. It's not affect on my original data set. So next one is a split my data for your training and testing data. Split data set, yeah, is a very good thing for your screen data. Yeah, it's a capital X showing that training data, df2 dot dr पे ड्रॉप करेंगे हम किसको करेंगे फिर स्टूडेंट मार्क्स को हमारे पास क्या है उसको क्या करते ड्रॉप करते एक्स एक्सिस पे, ऑलराइट, और वो हमारे पास क्या है कॉलम है, ऑलराइट। सो और वाई एक्सिस पे हमने इसको क्या दिया, हमारे पास क्या करते हैं इसको df2 dot I'm not implement on the like I'm not implement on the original data. I'm implement on the df2 is a temporary data which is created. Alright, so columns. Alright, if we want to extract store marks, then you will drop them. Is the one that is appear on the store marks. And y-axis if we students odds and then show the store marks. Alright, so that's why I'm giving them these steps. And then we have to alright, it's giving some error. Let me see that student marks is not, I think so, student mark is not. Let me see. Here is problem. Let me copy that. I think so. Yeah, there's some spelling missing, so that's why it's from there. And after that, we want to print how the look that for the my data set of x-axis is equal to then giving the comma x shape. Alright, so simple print same for the same case for the it's not the capital lowercase, nothing matters in the print statement. Alright, but mandatory for the let me show print shape x comma. Alright, some is problem going now. Yeah, in the dots is missing. I think so. It's showing some. Yes. Here, did you see that the shape of the x is a 200s and a one column, and the shape of the y is a 201 column. Alright, that's my the shape of the drop. Is a drop function like drop x-axis drop one column and x-axis drop. Alright, and then show the 200 rows. You know that we have 200 rows and two columns, right? And x-axis drop one columns and the y-axis also one drops. So that's why it's very perfect for this. After that, we have to split my data, train my data. So sklearn is the library learn.model selections import what you think our and train test split. Alright, yeah, so great for that. And 3RAN, yeah, train comma test and YTRAN train comma y test is equal to train test and SER split किया हमने किसको करना split x comma capital X comma y which is given that x and y. Alright, so that's why we are entering this value. And let me see, yeah, that's great, there is no problem. After that we have to print shape of x shape of the train data sets. Alright, comma train and also shape. Alright, copy that. Same for X train, and the Y train is also over there Y, and the X test, Y test, X train. Let me changing over here, and simply start showing the some values in my. Did you see that? It's a 150, 150, and 11, and the total is 200 values. Alright, and 2 columns. And after that, we have to select my models. Alright, so giving the command adding and train. Alright, so that means giving that from a scalar dot linear model import क्या करेंगे linear regressions. LR is the best model for to predict the accuracy. It's a very perfect model, I can see. Yeah. Let me show you some from scalar dot linear model import linear regressions. Linear regressions is spelling missing, and also over here is yes, okay, that's good. And LR dot fit train comma Y test. CRL train. Did you see that is a linear regression showing that? Alright. After that, we want to predict the create a model. After that, we have predictions. Predict the student marks study hours. Alright. Yeah. Great. LR is a linear regressions models predict करेगा giving that the values for is a hours. Okay, and let me show you that some is value giving the one. Oh yeah, just did you see that? It's a 66.128 is a value. Okay, let me round about this value. I don't predict is a very accurate. Okay, let me dot round the values round about 2.2, like 2 is a 2 giving. After that it is giving 3 and giving the 3 values. Okay, so is that 2, I'm giving that 2, so that's why it's a good 2. Okay, if you want to using the Y predictions values, predict is equal to LR dot predict X test. Okay, alright, so we have predict against. Let me see the value of the predictions is on the base of the X test. Alright, and you see that. Okay, after that we have to showing the data in the data frame in the pandas libraries is a data frame. Yes, and np.c. अंडरस्कोर करते हैं, किसको करवाना है हमने, वी वांट टू टेस्ट कॉमा वाई टेस्ट कॉमा वाई predict, yeah, alright. After that, columns is equal to okay, comma columns is equal to 1. If ever something some error x test y test, okay, let me wait, let me see. Data frame, okay, let me wait. Alright, so we have got that np.data frame np.access columns equals to something removing. Alright, so we have got that test predictions in the student sort columns names is the original data set I have predicted. Let me showing that, let me see that data grades is yes, okay, yeah, is a student or student original marks and the student predicted, and you can see that is the predictions and the student original marks is a very close, so that's I think this is a very good model for this. After that we have to tune my model. Score test comma y test, and did you see that? Oh yeah, it's a 95%, like it's a very good accuracy. So we have to scatter plot, draw a plot, explains comma y train. Let me see. Of course, it's a very good prediction of giving the data. I think so. After that, we scatter test comma y test and plot plt plot train comma and dot predict train that's in the animation there. Yeah, it is showing that and in the blue lines, or else we want to give the color accordingly, like red for R showing to the red lines, or you see that on red line, and she that's some is that is from the points of very far and where some is very near, and some is close, that's the line is a very approximation between them. It's a very very low value, so you have a very far from the points, and you see that if the study hours increase, the students average also increases, predictions rates also increases. Okay, after that I want to present the model. want to save the model. Import job lib. Job lib is a technique to save your model, right? Save and load the model is a very good technique and a very useful technique. Lr dot like I am giving the student TUD and student, some change the name. Alright, and then is a PKL extension for this models. Okay, let me see. Save the model. Alright, save the models and let me show that. Yeah, did you see that? That's showing the strength marks models in my drive. After that, we want to load my model. Load the model. Is equal to joblib dot load and giving the name of the model. PKL. Alright, very simple is that. Yeah, the model is load model predict what to predict. I'm predicting 5.7, giving the odds, and let me see what's the result. Yes, that's great. It's showing the 5.7 and giving the 72.81. Okay, I want to round about this value in the 2 and giving the correct value. That's great. The model is running, and a very good thing for this value, because if you want to check the values, if we give the 5.7 and let me see where it, let me see where is 5.7. 5.7 around about 5.7. The 71.82 is a very good accuracy. 72.82. That's a very great and a very good thing for this. And for more videos and support me, subscribe my channel is the ICRL Lab, and giving the more videos about this. And the next video is about the for these models. Let me showing that. Alright, let me showing that predictions models. Website deploy the models. Here is my Python project. Python project showing my predictions. Alright, we have to I have to copy and cmd command cd paste python app.py is my files, and let me see how the program work on the website. Okay, let me wait, the system is going slow. Alright, give the link and copy that link and paste it on the URL. After that, let me yes, that's good. It's a student source, enter your student source like 3 hours, and then giving them you will get 62.28% marks when you study 3 hours. Alright, let me 4.5 hours. Alright, he gave me the accurate value because because the hours between 21 to 24 hours. Alright, it's not 5.4 6.4. Alright, is accurate values, giving the accurate value and giving the accurate result, and 6 you will get 74.12%. So very good predictions. So I wind up the project, and subscribes and like my videos, and then I will deploy the model and the website into a website. Alright, so please like and subscribe my channels.